Hey there, this is Mahmoud Hassan and welcome to Python programming in 5 hours. Python is one of the most popular computer programming language in the world. It also upgrades regularly to become a modern programming language. In the job market, Python also ranks in top position. You came here to learn Python, right? I will not take much time from you. Just give me 5 hours, follow my video tutorials and write the code yourself to understand the concept and syntax. I'm damn sure you will learn Python programming very fast. I have added all the essential and important features in this Python course. So you will learn most of the important features of Python programming. And during following my course, if you have any questions, just ask me in the discussion section. I will try my best to answer you. Okay? So let me help you to learn Python programming and upgrade your career.